Imagine creatures that walked the earth alongside dinosaurs, survived mass extinctions, and continue to thrive in today's world. It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but these ancient survivors are very real. From the depths of the oceans to remote rivers and forests, some prehistoric animals have defied the odds and outlasted the vast majority of species that once roamed the planet. These living fossils have hardly changed over millions of years, offering us a direct link to the distant past. Now here's where it gets even more fascinating. These creatures have adapted to some of the harshest environments on Earth, from deep-sea trenches to freezing mountain streams. They've evolved in ways that seem almost counterintuitive, surviving in environments where most modern animals would struggle. Curious to know who they are? Keep reading to discover the top 10 prehistoric creatures that are still alive today, each with a unique story of survival that will blow your mind. If you're excited to dive deeper into the mysteries of evolution and prehistoric life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more amazing content about nature's most fascinating creatures. Platypus. The platypus is undeniably one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. Existing for around 146 million years, this mammal defies conventional biological classifications. Its body is a peculiar mix of features: a duck-like bill, otter-like fur, and a beaver-like tail. Even more astonishing is the fact that it's one of the few egg-laying mammals, also known as monotremes, yet it feeds its young with milk despite lacking nipples. This odd combination makes it an exceptional example of how evolution can take unpredictable paths. In its natural habitat, the platypus thrives in aquatic environments, showcasing a unique set of skills. This species can stay underwater for up to 10 minutes, thanks to its ability to seal its ears and nostrils while diving. This adaptation is crucial for hunting crustaceans, larvae, and small fish in the rivers and lakes of Australia. However, like many ancient species, the platypus faces significant challenges today, such as environmental changes and pollution, threatening its survival. Beyond its strange appearance and habits, the platypus plays an important role in its ecosystem. Its presence in freshwater habitats contributes to the balance of aquatic life, and its semi-aquatic nature makes it a versatile hunter. Understanding the evolutionary journey of the platypus helps scientists uncover clues about the distant past, offering a glimpse into how modern mammals might have evolved from ancient ancestors. This leads us to another equally intriguing creature from the deep: the frilled shark. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is another ancient survivor, having existed for around 150 million years. With its eel-like elongated body and up to 2 meters in length, this deep-sea predator looks like something straight out of prehistory. What truly sets it apart is its 300 sharp teeth arranged in 25 rows, giving it a terrifying appearance. These teeth are designed to trap prey, such as fish and squid, preventing them from escaping once caught. This unique physical feature has allowed the frilled shark to remain a highly efficient predator over the millennia. Living in the depths of the ocean, the frilled shark is typically found as deep as 1,500 meters. However, on rare occasions, it has been spotted closer to the surface, creating fascination and fear among those who encounter it. Its deep-sea habitat is one of the most extreme environments on Earth, with low temperatures and high pressure, yet the frilled shark has adapted perfectly to these conditions. This resilience highlights the remarkable survival mechanisms of ancient species that continue to thrive despite their hostile surroundings. The frilled shark's ability to survive in such a challenging environment makes it a living fossil, offering scientists an extraordinary opportunity to study evolutionary biology. By examining its primitive characteristics, researchers can learn more about the development of modern sharks and marine life. From the mysterious depths of the ocean, we move to another ancient giant, the Chinese giant salamander. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is a true relic of the past, having existed for more than 170 million years. As the largest amphibian in the world, this creature can grow up to 1.5 meters in length and weigh up to 45 kilograms. Its dark, wrinkled skin, broad head, and small eyes give it a prehistoric look, making it seem like it's straight out of the Jurassic era. This amphibian primarily lives in fast-flowing rivers and streams, where it uses its powerful limbs to navigate the current and hunt for prey, like fish and insects. Despite its long history, the Chinese giant salamander is critically endangered today, facing threats from habitat loss, pollution, and overharvesting for food and traditional medicine. Once widespread across China, its population has drastically declined due to human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this ancient species, but its survival is far from guaranteed. If we lose the Chinese giant salamander, we lose not just a species, but a living link to Earth's distant past. The unique biology of this salamander offers valuable insights into amphibian evolution, particularly how certain traits have allowed it to endure for so long. Understanding its survival strategy helps scientists develop methods to preserve other endangered species. Next, we'll dive into the world of a smaller, but equally ancient, aquatic creature, the Triops. Loving these ancient survivors? Give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which creature shocked you the most. Was it the immortal jellyfish or the rediscovered Celacanth? Triops, often referred to as living fossils, have been around for thousands of years, with minimal changes to their physical structure. These tiny crustaceans, measuring between 6 to 11 centimeters, resemble shrimp with a tadpole-like shape. What makes them fascinating is their ability to develop from egg to adult in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. This rapid life cycle has helped them survive in temporary bodies of water, such as seasonal ponds and lakes, where they thrive after rainfalls. Their eggs can remain dormant for years, only hatching when conditions are right, which allows the species to endure even in challenging environments. Triops can adapt quickly to their surroundings, feeding on algae, detritus, and smaller aquatic organisms, making them efficient recyclers in their ecosystems. This resilience has enabled them to survive through countless environmental changes, from ice ages to shifting climates, preserving their place in nature for millions of years. Studying Triops provides scientists with important data on how simple life forms can adapt and thrive through extreme changes in their environments. This adaptability is key to understanding the evolution of more complex organisms. Moving from small invertebrates, we now shift to the lamprey, a creature that's been swimming through the Earth's waters for over 350 million years. Lamprey. The lamprey is a jawless fish that has existed for around 350 million years, making it one of the oldest vertebrates still in existence. With a body resembling an eel and a distinctive, circular mouth lined with rows of keratin teeth, the lamprey is a unique predator. It attaches itself to the bodies of other fish, using its suction cup-like mouth to latch on and feed on the blood and bodily fluids of its host. This parasitic lifestyle, combined with its ancient lineage, gives it an almost alien appearance. Lampreys can live in both freshwater and marine environments, though they return to freshwater to reproduce. This adaptability has contributed to their long survival, as they can thrive in a variety of ecosystems. Despite their somewhat unsettling nature, lampreys play an important role in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems by controlling fish populations. However, in certain regions, they are considered invasive and harmful to local fisheries, complicating their conservation status. Studying the lamprey helps evolutionary biologists understand the development of vertebrates, as their primitive structure offers clues about the early stages of spinal cord and skeletal evolution. From the ancient rivers of the lamprey, we turn to the coasts, where another remarkable relic, the horseshoe crab, has been roaming for nearly 500 million years. Horseshoe crab. The horseshoe crab is a true evolutionary marvel, having existed for around 445 million years. Despite its name, it is more closely related to spiders and scorpions than to actual crabs. Its hard, horseshoe-shaped shell, 9 eyes, and blue blood make it one of the most intriguing creatures in the animal kingdom. The blue blood of the horseshoe crab contains a unique substance called Limulus amebocyte lysate, LAL, which is used in the medical field to detect bacterial contamination in vaccines and other drugs. This makes the horseshoe crab not only a survivor of ancient times, but also crucial to modern science. Horseshoe crabs inhabit coastal regions where they come ashore to breed. Their ability to thrive in such environments, despite environmental changes and threats from human activity, is a testament to their resilience. However, their populations are now at risk due to overharvesting for medical purposes and habitat destruction. Conservationists are working hard to protect these ancient creatures, ensuring their survival for future generations. The horseshoe crab's longevity and evolutionary success offer key insights into the survival strategies of ancient species. Understanding how it has endured for so long can provide answers to broader questions about biodiversity and species preservation. Now, we move to the depths of the oceans, where another ancient creature continues to thrive, the jellyfish. Jellyfish have existed for more than 500 million years, making them one of the oldest known multicellular organisms on Earth. With bodies composed of 95% water, they seem almost otherworldly, floating through the oceans with their delicate, translucent bodies and trailing tentacles. Despite their simple structure, jellyfish have evolved to survive in a wide range of environments, from the deepest ocean trenches to coastal shores. Some species, like the Triops dornier, are even considered biologically immortal, capable of reverting to their juvenile form after reaching adulthood. Jellyfish thrive in oceans across the globe and have proven remarkably adaptable to changes in marine environments, including rising temperatures and pollution. Their presence in the oceans plays a critical role in the marine food chain, as they serve as both predators and prey. However, jellyfish blooms, where populations explode due to favorable conditions, can disrupt marine ecosystems, sometimes clogging fishing nets or damaging power plants. The jellyfish's resilience and simplicity offer a valuable model for understanding how life on Earth has adapted to environmental challenges over millions of years. From these ancient drifters of the sea, we turn to another ocean dweller, the Nautilus, which has been navigating Earth's waters for 500 million years. Nautilus. The Nautilus is a remarkable creature that has existed for around 500 million years, making it one of the oldest living marine species. This mollusk is easily recognized by its beautiful, spiral-shaped shell, which is divided into chambers that help regulate buoyancy. The Nautilus uses jet propulsion to navigate the depths of the ocean, typically found at depths of up to 700 meters. Its slow, graceful movements and ancient lineage give it an almost mystical presence in the marine world. Despite its ancient survival strategies, the Nautilus is now facing a growing threat of extinction due to overfishing for its ornamental shell and habitat degradation. Its population has declined in many areas, leading conservationists to push for greater protection. The Nautilus is a living testament to the resilience of ancient species, but without intervention, it could be lost, marking the end of a 500 million year legacy. The Nautilus offers evolutionary biologists an opportunity to study how marine species have adapted over time, especially in extreme environments. Its primitive features provide insights into how life in the oceans has evolved. From the depths of the ocean, we now surface to meet one of the most famous living fossils of all time, the Celacanth. The Celacanth, a fish that was believed to be extinct for over 65 million years, was rediscovered in 1938, shocking the scientific community. With an existence stretching back 360 million years, the Celacanth is often referred to as a living fossil. Its lobed fins, which resemble primitive limbs, suggest that it could be a key link in the evolution of fish to land-dwelling vertebrates. This unusual fish can grow up to 2 meters long and is found primarily in the deep waters off the coast of Africa and Indonesia. The Celacanth's rediscovery was one of the most significant zoological discoveries of the 20th century, sparking intense interest in its biology and evolutionary history. This fish lives in depths of up to 700 meters, where it remains relatively hidden from human activity. However, despite its remote habitat, the Celacanth remains vulnerable to fishing, and its slow reproduction rate makes it particularly sensitive to environmental changes. Studying the Celacanth gives scientists invaluable insights into evolutionary biology, particularly the transition from sea to land. This ancient species, with its prehistoric features, continues to inspire researchers in their quest to understand how life on Earth has developed. With this final example, we conclude our exploration of these remarkable living fossils, each one offering a window into Earth's distant past. So what's the secret to survival across hundreds of millions of years? Adaptability, resilience, and sometimes a bit of luck. These incredible prehistoric creatures offer a glimpse into a time long before humans, where evolution shaped life in extraordinary ways. From the depths of the oceans to hidden corners of our planet, these living fossils are a testament to nature's ability to endure. But their survival also reminds us of the fragility of life on Earth. Many of these species are now endangered due to human activity. Now, the question is, what will you do with this newfound knowledge? Will you help protect these living relics of our planet's history, ensuring their survival for future generations? The past is alive through these species, but their future depends on us. If you're as fascinated by these living fossils as we are, make sure to subscribe and join our community of curious minds. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. We'd love to hear from you.